We're dropping binder clips to see if we can get one to fall more slowly than the other. So Mia's got an eraser attached to that one. Let's see. Slightly more slowly. I've got a bag attached to this one right here.
The bag definitely fell more slowly.
In session 1, this is what they do. They attach things to a binder clip to get it to fall more slowly. If it catches more air, it falls more slowly because there's more air resistance.
Air resistance is the learning goal for the whole falling and flying kit. And air resistance is when an object's moving through the air and the air pushes back against it and slows it down.
In session 2, the kids build a standard parachute that looks like this. Then they're challenged to try to build some kind of a crazy parachute that will fall more slowly than this. And this is the one that Mia designed. And let's test them.
Oh, the big one fell better. Another learning goal is for the kids to act like scientists and engineers as they design, build, and test their parachutes and rockets.
Speaking of rockets, in session 3, the kids actually get to launch rockets. Ready?
We have to make the launcher first. So in your launcher box, you'll find these rockets.
She's tossing them aside because the kids actually build their own rockets. You don't want the ones from the kit.
Yes. You want to take your 3 yellow parts and set aside the L-shaped one for a moment and put these 2 together, angled like that, so that the pegs go through that narrow space. And then make sure that the hole on the L-shaped piece is on top and just slide it in like that. So it's the 3rd leg. And then put the tube on there and attach it with the wing nut, like so. And then all you need is a rocket.
To build a rocket, you take tape, a piece of paper, you roll the paper around this wooden dowel like this. You don't want to roll it too tight, because if you do, then it's hard to get it off. If it's too loose, the rocket won't shoot very high. Now I take the tape and I tape the seams, like so. Slip it off, fold over the tip, and tape that, and that's my rocket.
Nice. Now, air resistance is interesting. When we dropped the parachutes, the air resistance was pushing up as the parachute fell down and it caught the air. When we shoot the rockets, the air resistance is pushing down as the rocket shoots up. And if you make it narrow and streamlined like this, it cuts through the air and meets less air resistance.
Sessions 3 and 4 should be done either outside or in a room like this with a high ceiling, because these rockets can shoot 50 to 100 feet up in the air. Let's try it. Whoa!
Nice. In session 4, they put everything together by making a rocket that can try and fly as high as possible while still falling gently. So this child made one where you kind of just put the parachute on top like a hat. They even made a nose cone for it too. I see?
Yeah.
Okay.
So there's information in the handbook on how to manage a group of kids outside doing this activity. Let's see it done.
Lining up with your partners behind me.
Rocket launching is safe, but the kids should follow a few safety rules.
Is everyone ready to launch some rockets?
Yeah!
Only one team in a launch zone at a time. You got to line up and wait your turn.
They take turns launching their rockets. Only one child at a time is allowed at the launching pad. The others stand at least 6 feet away. The person launching makes sure the rocket's not pointed at anyone.
3, 2, 1. Whoa! This one looks good. Okay, okay, ready? Everyone together. 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Funding provided by Oracle, the Noyce Foundation, the S.D. Bechtel Jr. Foundation, the David and Lucille Packard Foundation, and the Stephen Bechtel Fund.